In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP2900 or 2900B printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, proceed here with the search bar and type for Canon LBP 2900 or 2900B printer driver and hit the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the result which has the support. Click on this link under canon.com or ph.canon, which is the official website for Canon. And in a few moments you would be able to be navigated to this new page. Okay, so here in this new page, you need to navigate here. Okay, you need to scroll down here and wait until you can see an option where you can download this one. So first, you need to proceed with this drop-down menu. Click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 1064 if Windows 11 is not available, since Windows 1064 works well with Windows 11. Once set, you need to navigate to this link. Click on it. Okay. And in my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. And once done, please navigate here at the top right corner, click on this download icon, and it will show you the downloaded file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click here, click on this cut icon to copy it, and once you've copied it, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Now once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with the WinRAR and then click on extract to and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would means that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, before we proceed to the installation, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. Okay, so by that, let's now start the installation. Navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Okay, once done, please proceed with printers and scanners, and please choose for an option called Add Device. The moment you click on it, you would be able to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and in that way, you would be able to open a new window. Okay, so please wait until it would be appeared here in our screen. Once it's here, go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on Next and go with Have Disk, and you need to go with the browse. Go with the desktop since our extracted file has been placed here. Go with this extracted file, double tapped. Proceed with x64 since the Windows 11 has x64 base PC. Go with the driver and you can see the driver here. Click on open and then click on the OK. Once done, eventually you'd be able to see this one. Click on next, and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this process would be finished. Now once done, click on the next here and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 2900 or 2900B in your Windows 11. Close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.